we are going to learn about open and close. What is the meaning of open and close? Come on, let's find out. This is a house. When someone comes and knocks at the door, we open the door. Then we close the door. So open, close. Can you tell me what is this? Yes, this is an umbrella. We use umbrella during rainy season. When it rains, we open the umbrella. And when the rain stops, we close the umbrella. So open, close. Now can you please close all your fingers? Yes, very good. Now open them. Good. Again, close your fingers. Open your fingers. Close, open. Now look here. When you sleep at night, you close your eyes. And when you wake up in the morning, you open your eyes. So, open, close. Open, close. This is a box. The box is closed. Now open, close, open. Wow, chaklis. Open the jar, close the jar. Open, you can have it. Are you feeling thirsty? Let's open the bottle. Open, close. Open, close. Open. Open the book, please. Close it. Now please watch the video carefully.
Top so we won't spill. Let's open up the top and fill. Then close so the drink won't spill. Open, close. Open, close. Open and close the sippy cup.
You know all about open and close. Come on, let us together find which is open and close in these pictures. Here the door is closed. This door is closed. Now the boy opens the door and the cat comes inside. Can you tell me which cupboard is closed and which cupboard is open here? Yes, this cupboard is closed and this cupboard is open here. Look here, the boy is having a closed box with him. And here the boy opens the box. Whose book is closed here? Yes, very good. The girl's book is closed here and the boy's book is open. It's a toy shop. Which shop will you go to buy toys? Yes, the shop which is open. Let's see which shop is open here. The first shop is closed and the other shop is open. Well done. Now you can enjoy this song here.
Open, close, open, close. Everybody clap, clap, clap. Open, close, open, close. Everybody touch your eyes. Eyes. Open, close, open, close. Everybody clap, clap, clap. Open, close, open, close. Everybody touch your ears. Ears. Open, close, open, close. Everybody clap, clap, clap. Open, close, open, close. Good job.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn 3 cursive strokes. The first one is in the form of I. For this we are going to use 2 blue lines. Understand? Let's learn it, children. Always we should start from the second blue line and touch the upper blue line, and you should take a little curve in the form of U. Understand, children? So let's learn, children. See, can you observe here? See. Once more, slanting. Come back again in the form of U, children. Understand? And keep a dot in between red and blue line. Here we have 4 block lines. In the book we have red line, 2 blue lines and the 1 more red line. See, children, slanting and curve in the form of U. Understand? It's very easy, children. Let's practice it in a notebook. See, while writing in a notebook, please don't lift your hand, children. So, if you keep a hand in your notebook, please don't lift your hand while writing cursive letters or cursive strokes. Understand? See, children, can you see here? It's very easy. You have to write in the form of U only, children. The thing is, you have to keep a dot between red and blue line. Understand? Children, let's learn our second stroke, which is in a form of J. For this, we are going to use 3 lines, children. First blue line, second blue line, and the bottom red line. It is a lowercase letter, children. So here we have 4 black lines. In book we have red, 2 red lines and 2 blue lines. See, children, can you see here? Here I am going to teach you step by step. The first thing is, you have to take a slanting line from the second blue line, touch the first blue line and take a slanting line, and you have to take a loop. You have to take a loop towards the left side and you have to move towards the first blue line. See, slanting, one more slanting, touch the red line, take a loop and you have to move towards the upper blue line and take a dot between red and blue line. Understand, children? Let's learn once more, children. See, slanting, touch the blue line, one more slanting, touch the red line, take a loop and move towards the first blue line. So keep a dot between red line and blue line, children. So let's practice it in a notebook. See, start from the second blue line, touch the first blue line, touch again, take a slanting and take a loop towards the first blue line. It's very easy, children. Slanting, touch the first blue line, one more slanting, take a loop and again move towards the first blue line and touch the first blue line. I hope you all understood, children. Let's practice how to write cursive F. It is very difficult, children. The F is little difficult. You have to be very careful while practicing F. Understand? Let's practice it. Let's practice cursive F, children. It is little difficult. Observe the video carefully. Here we are going to use all the 4 lines. So, first we have to take a slanting line from the second blue line, touch the red line, upper red line, take a loop, again slanting line and take a curve. After joining a curve to the first blue line, take a little curve. See, little curve. Understand? Slanting, loop, slanting, curve, touch the first blue line and a little curve towards towards up. See, slanting, touch the first red line, take a loop and come again by slanting a line, take a little curve and after touching to the first blue line, take a little curve, children. See, can you observe? Yes, slanting, loop, slanting, curve and a little curve. I hope you all understood, children. F is little difficult. Please observe the video carefully and practice, children. If you practice, it will be easier for you. Let's practice F in a notebook. Let's move on to it, children. While writing in a notebook, children, please don't lift your hand while writing the cursive strokes. It's very important. Let's start writing. Slanting, loop, slanting, curve and again slanting. See, it's very easy. You should not raise your hand. See, slanting, loop, curve and you have to take a curve, little curve. Understand, children? is write cursive strokes F, I, J. 5 lines each without lifting your hand. Understand? And the other cursive strokes which we have learnt in our previous classes, write 2 times each. Each you should write 2 times because you have a holiday tomorrow. Tomorrow is Sunday. You can write. Understand? Today's oral activity is send a video of open close concept with 5 examples. You can send this video within tomorrow evening, children. So you have to send this video within tomorrow evening. Understand? I hope you all enjoyed this session, and please send your homework copy. Send your homework copy and video, and enjoy your weekend. Thank you, children.